The single leg glute bridge is an excellent exercise for the posterior chain muscles, the glutes, the hamstrings, and a brilliant exercise for just getting that hip extension going as well. You need to make sure with this exercise that we do it correctly in order to make sure that the back doesn't hurt and cause issues. So there's a few things we will need to do. First of all, posterior tilt the pelvis. If you're struggling to know what that is, Google or YouTube it. It's really important. Then what we want to do is make sure there's a straight line between the knees, the hips and the shoulders when we're doing this movement, and that we're squeezing the bum nice and firmly to create that contraction. Pushing through the heels also helps with this in terms of that hamstring bridge. What we do is posterior tilt before we lift, so it's squeezing the bum and flattening the back and maintaining that posterior tilt throughout the movement. Also, we can do it with a different other leg position, so a straight leg on the other side. And this is going to create a slightly different stimulus and a slightly different challenge for the core as well as the glutes on that side. Make sure the hip on the left-hand side is going up nice and high. And equally that we're not overextending the back and arching the back, because that's what can often cause pain. For more exercises that are awesome post ACL and knee injury or surgery, check out this video here.